So, welcome to HIIT 4. We're going to start with warm-up. Absolutely freezing here today, so as soon as you hear that music, start with a jog, guys. Toe-to-heel run, nice and light on your feet, good posture, abs braced. I think that Shelley's nice and warm already after all that jogging she's been doing. All right, take a look at my feet. You're going to step right, step left, jog on the spot, step right, step left and jog on the spot. Let's go to the right, to the left and jog it out. Do it again, to the right, to the left and jog it out. You can always walk this if you want, just stepping side to side, nice and easy. Otherwise pick up the feet, get the arms moving, get the body moving. Keep going, a couple more times. Now a back stepping lunge, right and left. Step back, stand up. Just a back stepping lunge with good posture. Shoulders above the hips. Abs braced. So you're stepping with the back heel up. Back knee leads away. Good posture. Alright, you've got 4 more. Now take a look. It's a burpee. Let's go, we're going down. Jump back, jump wide, stand up. Back, wide and up. Now if you don't want to jump, walk it. It's up to you. Bend the knees, raise the core. Got 4 more. 2 more, guys. Now on the last one, stay down. Stay down. Slow mountain climber. One knee then the other. Just pulling your knees towards your chest. Keeping your shoulders above your hands. Releasing the abs. You can do this with the knees down on the floor. You've got 8 more. Reach your butt. Shoulders away from the ears. 4 more, guys. 2 more. Now bring the knees down. Single push up. Down and up. And warm up the shoulders. Now corkscrew the elbows back. Bring your body weight slightly forwards over the elbows. If it's too much, bring the knees a little closer. Do a box push up. Right, you've got 4 more. You're going to bring your feet apart. You're going to walk your hands back to standing. Let's go. Put the hands back. Stand up. Squat down. Walk forwards. Do it again. Walk back. Stand up. Squat down. Walk forwards. Squeeze your butt. Do it again. Walk forwards. 1 more. Stay standing. Stay standing. Good posture. Squat knee. Big squat. Lift the knee as you stand up tall. Sit your hips right back. Opposite arm. down, shuffle left, touch down, right side, knees out, chest up, left side. Got it, little side shuffle. Squat. To the right. To the left, watch. 3 jacks, 1 side jump. 3, 2, 1, turn it. 3, 2, 1, turn it. If you don't want to jump, you could just do a march on the spot and then a quick squat. It's up to you. 2, 1, and turn. 3, 2, 1, and turn. 3, 2, 1, turn. Last one. And relax. Woo. Good work. Take a breather. We're going to move on to the next track. Okay, so your track now is going to be 30 seconds of work, 2 different exercises. We're going to repeat those 2 exercises 4 times each, all the way through before you hit your first break. You've got 3 sets to get through. The first exercise is going to be 3 jacks forwards, 1 side jump, 3 jacks back, side jump, okay? We'll cover the rest of the exercises as we go along. Are you ready, guys? To start the feet apart, this one comes in quick. Good posture, abs braced. Remember, you're jacking with the feet in and out, 3 times forwards. Get ready, get set, let's go. 3, 2, 1, side jump. 3, 2, 1, side jump. Coming forwards, turning and moving back. Your option is to march forwards, do a little squat and a march back, and a little squat. If you don't want to do the jumps, you're going to pull back a little bit.
Exercise 2.
All right, listen, down on the floor, hands under the shoulders, 8 mountain climbers, and then 2 push-ups, down and up. 8 mountain climbers, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2 push-ups. I do the mountain climbers with my knees up. Push-ups can be done with your knees down or up. You can always walk the mountain climbers a little slower. It's up to you.
Exercise 1.
That's the 2 exercises. Jump up, give me the jump jacks, feet apart, in and out, and then side jump. Hope you get Magdalena. Straight into exercise 1. Make sure you're pressing the knees out. And make sure, just before you turn, your feet are wide. Feet wide, turn, turn. Turn, turn.
Exercise 2.
Exercise 2, down on the floor. 8 mountain climbers. 2 push-ups, down and up. Do it again. 2 push-ups. Now remember to corkscrew those elbows in, shoulders away from your ears. No hunching, relax the shoulders. Look if you need to. You can even just do 1 push-up. All right, jump up, feet apart, jump jack. Turn it. Good morning, Kelly. Isn't this a great way to wake up on a Saturday morning, Kelly?
Halfway there.
Halfway there. Do what you need to, Rita. March forwards, squat, march back, squat. Exercise 2, get down on the floor. Let's run the legs. 2 push-ups, Shelley. Run the legs. 2 push-ups. Body weight forwards. Abs braced. Push up. Awesome. Remember, anytime you need.
Last phase.
Jump up. Feet apart. Jump jack. Come forwards. Move moving back. Always keep the knees pressed out and ground the heels as you land. Doing good, Rita. Whatever you need.
Exercise 2.
Down on the floor, last phase, remember? 8 mountain climbers. 2 push-ups. Think about your knees skimming the floor. Keeping your butt down in line with the shoulders. Not up too high. Doing really well. Keep it going.
Take a 60-second rest.
Keep going. 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Woo. Jump yourselves up. That was good. Take a moment to breathe. Grab a drink if you need it. You're going to move on to 2 new exercises. Same deal, 30 seconds each. Your first exercise. 1 big jump to the right, 3 high knee runs to the left. So big jump, high knee run. All right?
Halfway there.
All right, take a breather. Your second exercise, hands under the shoulders, knees bent. You take the foot to the side, and you're gonna jump side to side to side. Not forwards, just sideways. And you can walk this if you want to. So let's start with the right side jump.
Exercise.
Are you ready?
In 4,
3, 2, 1. Jump, run, run, run. Jump, run, run, run. Now if you don't want to do the high knee run, you could do like a little sprint. If you prefer. You can even do a lighter jump and march it back. Push across, march it back. Whatever feels good.
Exercise 2. In 4.
All right, down on the floor. Hands under the shoulders, knees bent. Jump your legs side to side. Now your knees stay close to the floor. So you're bent. The leg is straight out to the side. Walking if you need. Always bringing your knees back to the same position. Otherwise jumping. Keep the hands under the shoulders.
Exercise 1. In 4, 3.
Jump up, jump left. Now run to the right. Jump left. You're going to do it the other way. You jump across, high knee run back. Soften your knee as you land. Good work, Magdalena. Let me see. That's good. So when you jump, soften the knee.
Exercise 2. In 4.
Down on the floor. Hands under the shoulders, Rita. Now this is tough, even if you don't move. Just to hold this position. Alright, so you can do that if you want. Or you can just do the side taps. Whatever feels good. Keep those knees bent until you take the legs sideways.
Exercise 1. In 4.
Jump up.
3.
Jump right. Let's go. Jump. Run to the left. Let's go, Eddie. What I need today, Shelley, is for your Fitbit watch to explode. So I need you to drive those knees up. Take big jumps. Use your arms. Every ounce of energy you've got.
Exercise 2.
And just when your heart can't take anymore, get down, hands under the shoulders, and start switching those legs. Option. Just tap it. Tap it. Don't bring your leg forwards. Just take it sideways.
Halfway there.
And make sure you're not in this position. I need you to bring your knees closer. How are we doing, Magdalena? Keep going. Keep going. Jump up. Jump left. Woo. work.
Exercise 2.
You got one more to get through.
4,
So down on the floor.
2,
Here we go. Side to side. Hands under the shoulders. Don't let your shoulders and your body weight start to creep back. Keep it forwards.
halfway there.
That's 15 seconds. Oh my gosh. Keep going.
Take a 60-second rest. In
4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Jump up! Kelly, breathe. Walk it off, guys. You've got 2 more exercises to get through. 30 seconds again, okay? So, while you're having a drink and breathing, your first exercise, bend the knees, walk forwards, shoulder touch, walk back,
halfway there.
2 jumps, all right? If you don't want to do the shoulder touch, leave it out. If you don't want to do the jumps, just squat, all right? Your second exercise is going to be doubles and single scissors. Don't worry about that just yet. We're going to start with the squats. Magdalena, Eddie,
Exercise 1.
are you ready?
4, 3, 2.
Let's go. Pull forwards, shoulder touch, back up, 2 jumps, 1, 2, go again. That's the rhythm I want. That's the pace I'm looking for. Soften the knees as you land. If you don't want to do the jumps, just squat. No problem.
Exercise 2.
Jump.
In 4,
Stay up.
3, 2,
Double scissor.
1.
Double, single. Double, single. We've got some arms going on just to help elevate that heart rate. So pump those arms. 2, 2, and 1. If you don't want to jump, stomp it, march it. Stomp, march. Keep those arms strong.
Exercise 1.
Exercise 1.
3,
Eddie,
2, 1.
let's go. Shoulder touch. 2 jumps, Kelly. Keep the hips square, because that's half your challenge. When you start to lift your hand, your body's going to turn. Don't let that happen. Soften the knees.
Exercise 2.
Stay up.
In 4,
Guys.
3, 2,
Scissor.
1.
You double, single. You remember it, Rita? No problem. You try to get those arms involved. It's like a big cheer. Yeah. Halfway there.
Exercise 1.
Exercise 1.
3,
Feet apart, core forwards, mass. Shoulder touch. Back it up. 2 jumps. Now when you jump, bend your knees, land in those squats. You're always ready to come straight back forwards into your crawl out. Breathe in.
Exercise 2.
Stay up.
4,
Stay up.
2,
Scissor.
1.
Come on, Kelly. Come on, Nas. You're going to make up for that hangover class you did, Nas. Full power. Full effort.
Halfway there.
Full energy. Everything you got.
Last phase. In 4, 3, 2, 1.
Woo. Guys, let's go on. 2 jumps. Pull forwards, come on. You heard the man. We've got to go through the whole lot just once more. Each exercise.
Halfway there.
Who's getting tired? like we're scissoring. Last chance, let's go. Hold on for me, Rita. What do you do when you get out of bed on a Saturday morning, Kelly, and you remember that it's HIIT with me? Is that what you do? Take a big cheer. Come on. Let's take this to the finish.
4, 3, 2, 1. Your workout is complete.
Yes, it is.
Well done.
Well done. Well, that track's complete anyway. Okay, guys, so your final track. 40 seconds of work.
Round 2.
20 seconds of rest.
You now have
So you get plenty of rest
seconds
between each exercise. You're going to do 6 different exercises all the way through, and then we're going to take a slightly longer break, and we're going to reverse all of the exercises back to where we started.
You now have 30 seconds.
So your first
rest.
exercise is going to be a side shuffle, a one-handed burpee. A side shuffle could be a two-handed burpee. And if you don't want to do the burpee, you're just going to squat. Whatever you choose. Start with the feet apart.
You now
Make sure
have
you've got
10
some room
seconds rest.
side to side. And get ready. One hand, two hands, no hands. Are you ready?
4,
3, 2, side
1.
shuffle. Burpee. One hand or two.
Come on.
If you prefer two, that's fine. Otherwise, if you prefer, you can just squat, get down on the shuffle, sit your butt back.
Come on. Halfway there.
Halfway there. Try to keep the hips square on the burpee.
Come on.
Bring your hand right between the feet. Nice and close. Makes it easier.
Come on. 4, 3, 2,
Rest. Woo.
You now have 20
Breathe.
seconds rest.
Okay. Lunges. So you can watch and join in when you're ready. Big step back. Good posture. You're going to go 3, 2, 1. Drive a knee.
4,
3,
3,
2.
2.
Let's go.
1. Come on.
3, 2, 1. Drive a knee. 3 big jumps and a strong knee.
Come on.
Now maybe you don't want to jump. So you're just going to do a lunge, a knee and a lunge.
Come on.
A lunge, a knee and a lunge. Which you could add a little jump to if you want more.
Halfway there. Come on.
Good posture. Awesome.
Come on.
Again.
4, 3, 2,
And rest.
1.
Woo.
You now have
Walk it off.
20 seconds rest.
Walk it off. Right, so feet wide. You're going to pick up a heavy sword. You're going to chop that sword and then lift a knee. Chop it
4,
and
3,
lift it
2,
faster.
1.
Let's go. Chop. Chop. Now when you chop, come down hard and heavy with good posture and sit your butt deep. Alright? Chop. Lift. Do not come forwards. Use your legs, please.
Halfway there.
You have good posture all the way through. Slam down.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Rest.
You now have 20 seconds
Walk
rest.
it off. Right, we're going to come down to the floor. Hand shoulder width. You're going to do a circular push-up with a frog jump in and out. And then you're going to circle the other way
4, 3,
and frog jump.
2,
Let's go.
1.
Circle push-up, jump in, jump back. Circle the push-up, jump in, jump back. Now you could circle the push-up, walk it in, walk it back. I do the circular push-ups on my knees because it's quite tough to go from one arm and across and into the other. So you're almost doing a one-handed push-up. Keep going. 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest.
You now
Stand
have
yourselves
20
up.
seconds rest.
20 seconds. 2 more exercises. Then you get a slightly longer break to recover and repeat everything in reverse. Now listen, side to side on the spot.
4,
Are you ready to speed it up?
2,
Let's
1.
go. We practice this in the warm-up. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Stomp down. Bend your knee, bend your knee. Push out of the floor. And then quick run in the middle.
Halfway there.
Agility training. Quick direction changes. Are you going to go right or left? That's when you're halfway there. You're not sure if your legs are going to give up. Keep trying to go. Stronger.
3, 2, 1.
Rest.
You now have 20 seconds
20
rest.
seconds to rest. One more exercise. Again, we practiced in the warm-up. Take a big wide step with the knee above the ankle. Side lift. Step back in. Make sure your knee
4,
doesn't shoot past
3,
your toe.
2,
Let's go.
1.
I want a big wide step, Magdalena. Big wide step so that knee doesn't shoot past that ankle, right? Because if that happens, you're going to put a lot of pressure on your knee that you don't want. And think about your butt sitting back. Can you sit your butt back, Magdalena? Sit it back. Come on. That's good. And you don't have to lift your leg too high. It's just a little lift.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Rest. Awesome, that was
Round
much better.
3 complete.
Well done.
You now have 50
All right, shake it off.
seconds rest.
Shake it off. Grab a drink if you need. You've got a slightly longer break. You've got to repeat everything in reverse, Eddie. Are you ready for it?
You
So
now
listen.
have 30 seconds
30
rest.
seconds to rest. You're going to start with the step to the left side. Again, sit your butt back. Little lift. Land. Step back in. Practice slow a few times if you need to. So you're going to start with soft knees.
You now have 10 seconds rest.
10 seconds and counting, guys. Nas, are you ready? Ready. 4, 3, 2, 1. If the music is too quick for you to land how you want, then don't worry about going slower. Don't worry about trying to keep up. Perfection is more important. And when you get tired, that's when that knee's going to start to drive forwards because your legs are too tired and you don't want to be sitting back anymore. But you've got to keep that butt sitting back, no matter how it feels.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Rest.
You now have 20 seconds
20
rest.
seconds to rest. Remember, we're going up the moves. And again, our speed run, right, left. Practice it slow a couple of times if you want. Just right, left, and then in the middle.
4,
Ready?
3,
Ready?
2, 1.
Roll it. Let's go. Have you got help today, Magdalena? Use the arms. When you run, your arms move with you. Don't run like this. Because if you use your arms, you're going to burn more calories. It doesn't look so silly. Bend the knees. Quick, can you move? Right, left. Right, left.
4,
Right, left.
3, 2, 1.
Woo.
You now have 20 seconds rest.
Sometimes I run so fast I can't keep up with myself. All right, down on the floor. Circular push-ups, Eddie. Set yourself up. Corkscrew the elbows. Circle and frog jump.
4, 3,
You ready?
2, 1.
Let's go. We're going to circle to the right. Frog jump. To the left. Frog jump. When I do my push-up, I almost bring my whole body down towards the floor.
Halfway there.
Shelley. Countdown is coming.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Rest.
You now have 20 seconds rest.
Get up, you lazy lot. 3 more exercises. Where did you put your heavy sword? Pick it up. Swing it behind your head.
4,
You're going to slam a knee.
2,
Let's
1.
go. Remember it, Rita? Yeah. Heavy sword. Yeah. Big axe. Whatever you're using today. Yeah. Sit your butt back. All right, again, it's all about bringing the weight back and keeping the chest up when you land. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Deeper you go. Stronger the move, yeah. More calories you're going to burn. Punch.
4, 3,
Punch.
2, 1.
Okay.
You now have 20 seconds
20 seconds
rest.
to rest. We've got some lunges and some side shuffles. So lunges first. Set it up, watch. 3 lunges, a knee.
4,
3 lunges,
3, 2,
and a knee. Let's
1.
go. Yeah. 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 Posture. Trying to make it deep, strong lunges and a strong knee. If you don't want to jump, 1 lunge, 1 knee, 1 lunge. With or without a little pop. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
4, 3, 2, 1. You now have 20 seconds rest.
6 seconds. Kelly, don't die on me yet. That Fitbit has not exploded yet. It's a side shuffle. 1-handed burpee, 2-handed burpee, no burpee, it's up to you.
2,
Let's go. Let's finish this. 1 hand. 2 hands. No hands. Should we pretend that no hands is the hardest option? How many of you are doing 1 hand? Let me see.
Halfway there.
Fantastic effort. Bring your hand real close to your feet, right between your feet. Keep the hips square.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Woo. Walk it
Your
off.
workout is now complete. Well done.
Well done. Wow. That was good work. Should we have a little stretch? I think you earned it. All right, let's have a little stretch. You earned it, you worked hard. Let's take a little breather, guys. All right, so we're gonna start just by taking hold of the right leg. Tuck your tail under, press your hips forwards. Stand with a really nice posture. So you don't want to try to split the knees, you want to try to keep them together as much as you can. Get a little bit of pressure with your foot into your hand and squeeze your glutes. Good work. All right, from here, take a nice wide step to the right side. Make sure you land with your butt sitting back. Bring your hands down and your knee above your ankle. So make sure your knee doesn't roll in on the right leg. You're going to press that out. It's going to sit directly above that ankle. And you're going to get that nice inner thigh stretch. So try turning your left toe forwards. And then when you're ready, you're going to come to the center. You're going to turn the toes forwards. Soften the knees and just lower down as far as feels comfortable for you. And then you're going to turn your toe to the opposite side. Press out the knee. Sit the butt back, feel the stretch for the inner thigh. Okay, come back to the center. Jump your feet together. Just stay down here a little while as you lift your tail up. Feel that stretch through the backs of the legs. All right, roll up to standing. And then take hold of your left leg. Tuck the tail under. Is anyone sweating now? Considering how cold it was, even my hands are warm now. Are you sweating, Kelly? Me too. Good work. Okay, take the foot you're holding forwards. Sit your butt down, get that stretch running. A little bit more through the hamstring. Change sides when you're ready. These hamstrings are a really good stretch. All right, from here, take the front leg all the way back, push the heel down into the floor, lean slightly forwards, knee above the ankle, and then give me a tricep stretch on the right arm. The right leg back, right tricep stretch, lean slightly forwards. On the other side, so step in, big step back, push the heel right down, and then a left tricep stretch. Shift the weight forwards, but keep pushing the heel into the floor. Step it in, guys. Shoulder stretch, right arm. Woo. Breathe, breathe. Ready? Good work. Let's take the hands wide. Let's have a glute stretch. You're going to take your one leg across the opposite knee and then sit down as low as you can. Maintain your balance. If you're a little bit wobbly, then grab hold of a chair or a sofa or whatever's around you. Otherwise, practice your balance. Sit as deep as you can into this move. Do whatever you want with your arms, take them wide, bring them in, whatever you like. All about the legs. Change sides when you're ready. Just cross over. Flex your foot. Sit back, sit down. Press your knee towards the floor. Just the wider you press the knee, the deeper you sit, the more you're going to feel this. You feel it, Magdalena? Feel it? Good work. All right, take the hands forwards. Drop the head forwards. Pull your shoulder blades apart, stretch across your upper back. And then one more stretch. Finish, take the hands wide. Let's not forget a big chest stretch. Turn the palms up and back. And if you want a little more from that, you can take the hands behind. Soft elbows and press down and back. Work and release. Roll the shoulders. You guys did awesome. Any questions about anything you did, come and have a chat to me. You're amazing, inspirational, and I hope I'm going to see you all on Tuesday, if not before.